guys. Better start the day by a horrible journey. So, let's begin.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Valentino's vlogging his life every day for a year.
I'm back here in Portsmouth now. I thought I'd wait until I get here to upload the vlog because I've got faster internet here, so it's quite good. I've got a lecture soon, not sure when. I think it's at 12, which is alright, it's not too bad. I think it's in the building that's literally down the road from me, so it's not that bad even to just walk to. So yeah, the journey wasn't too bad. It wasn't as bad as last time. It was quite bumpy last time, but this time it was smooth, it was good. Listened to my music, just enjoyed the ride and just looked out the window the whole time. But then these old people got on, like these really old ladies, which was quite funny. They were just like talking, but it was like, well, of course they were talking, but they were just talking about like ebooks. So they started talking about ebooks. She's like, well, if you have an ebook, can you read them on the computer? They're all like talking and stuff, and then they're all like pulled out these vouchers out of their bags that they printed off the computers, like off the internet. She's like, I printed this off of my computer. Yeah, that was mine. And it was just like hilarious. I felt like recording them, just for like, it was just like hilarious. But then I was like, yo, I'm not gonna stick a camera in an old woman's face. She'd be so confused with what's going on. It's a bit mean. But yeah, so I've got a lecture soon, so I'll probably see you after that. So it's been just a long day. I'm so tired now, it's just ridiculous. My eyes just feel like they're burning because obviously I've been awake for too long and I haven't had enough sleep. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've got another little video that I'm gonna bring along very soon. It's very similar to the one that I brought, that I put up the other day. I think it was in the video Blast from the Past. I have another very similar sort of thing which I might be getting soon from a long time ago. So some people have requested it, so I'm going to do that, and I hope you enjoyed today. I know I didn't really film much, it's been a busy day just travelling really, so thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.